Big reason people choose SouthFace over other companies out there is because we really are able to align ourselves to show the true value of what they're purchasing, where their money's going to go. They feel a true connection with us because they know we're going to be there for the long haul. We're going to be there from start to finish in the project, but not just doing their project. We're looking to partner with them and really bring them into a community that solar has become.
My husband Larry and I had gone to a home show. It was our very first home show we had ever been to. And the first people that we ran into was Warren and SouthFace Solar.
Most of the other solar contractors out here in the valley anyway, they come in at a high pressure sales. Why aren't they signing right now? And we feel like our job is more to educate them and help them make the decision that's going to be best for them.
We talked to Warren there for about 20 minutes, and he was very pleasing, a very pleasant personality, felt that he was very open and honest.
When you hire SouthFace, you're really hiring a company that takes it from not only this conversation in the start, but to the final end conversation. Not the one that's going to happen when the system is installed, the one that's going to happen in 23 years from now.
It's a long-term relationship. I actually have told customers, if you don't think you're going to want a long-term relationship with us as a company or me for the next 25 plus years, go with someone else.
The technology that we use has a 25-year warranty package, lifetime internet monitoring. We're in touch with our clients monthly, sometimes weekly.
We decided to buy, and we decided that, SouthFace was going to be the company for us.
I love my crew. It's taken a lot of years to really get the guys that I have. What I've tried to develop is a culture of accountability at every level.
At SouthFace, customer service is paramount. Every phone call, every email, every piece of correspondence is answered quickly. It does not have to fall into business hours. If you need to get a hold of me at 10, 11, 12 o'clock at night, you wouldn't be the first one. I'll be there.
I love working in solar. When the job is finished and we take a step back and we look at a system that we just installed, it just makes you feel warm inside to know that you just put that whole system on and it looks good.
The installation was perfect. It was quite amazing, so we were very happy about that.
We're not an extremely large company, but I think that actually adds to our value because we can give the personal attention to each customer that they deserve.
They just went over and above anything that I had expected. It was just so easy to get this done.
That's really what it's about for us. It's not just how well we did for ourselves, but because of that, our customers truly do benefit from what we bring to the table.
My friends and I were out to dinner one night, and we told them that we were going to get solar installed by SouthFace. So we gave Warren her number. She signed up pretty much right there. She's very happy, and she had the same kind of experience that I did.
It's not just a home. We look at it as if it was our home. And we really try to take that mantra across everything we do.
I will always be a SouthFace fan.